Hi everybody, it's Mr. D at In the Middle of History 1 at blogspot.com, and it's Monday, March the 23rd, 2020. We're in the middle of the coronavirus shutdowns, and I wanted to touch base because it is Monday. I'm pretty much keeping up the same things I was doing last week in terms of my parts for my kids. I'm getting my swing on, so I'm not going to really talk about that as much. If you have questions about what I'm doing with my kids, then go to the videos from last week and you'll get a feel. What I felt like I should talk about today was that I'm receiving a lot of emails and messages from teachers asking if it's okay for them to use my S-Cube sight singing program for beginners on Zoom and other platforms live with their kids or any virtual platform. And the answer is, of course, is absolutely yes. So I just need to make sure everybody knows that. Zoom is definitely one of the ways that I would do it if I were doing S-Cubed with my kids right now, which I've finished. We're done with S-Cubed levels 1 and 2 for the year. So if I were still doing that or needed to, I definitely would love to use something like Zoom because the live interaction piece is really good. And I would probably upload upload Google Slides or PowerPoints to some sort of virtual platform so they would have that, so that when you are interacting live with them, they have the slides that you would be using anyway in class. So I know that there are teachers out there that are doing this virtually, that have done it before this moment in time. And if you're one of those teachers, please share your ideas with the teachers here who are now in this situation and they're looking for ideas about what they can do. I also want to tell everybody, when I created this, I set up an iPhone in a corner and recorded every single lesson of my program. There are a couple lessons that didn't take, but 98% of them are there. So I guess if you don't have a Zoom platform or you don't have some other sort of way to get the material to the kids live, then you may want to, whoops, I touched my face, sorry. You may want to just use the videos of my teaching my own class. Now it's focused on me, those of you who use it. You are definitely focused on me. I didn't show the kids, but they can hear the videos fine. You can just provide them with the links in S-Cubed. Every lesson has a link to me teaching it live, and every lesson has a link for the teachers who need teaching tips or who want teaching tips for how to do each lesson. So this was really built for this kind of situation. I'm sure there are ways to make it even more virtually friendly. But you just have to be, as we are teachers, creative about how you use it. But those are some of the ways that you could use it virtually. Zoom, certainly in Google Classroom, you could upload slides there. Of course, my Google Classroom experience is not a live one with my kids. There may be that possibility, but that's not what I'm experiencing with my kids. And I don't need it for what I'm doing right now. But if you do have a live way, there's some options. And if you don't have a live way and you're just uploading things, just be creative with those YouTube links and give it to the kids. Maybe they can follow me along in that original lesson that I did on some degree if you uploaded the slides for that specific lesson. Now, I'm going to wrap it up today with, it is, as I said, March 23rd. If you contact me via email, in the middle with Mr. D at gmail.com, and you put in it YouTube 50% off, anytime between now and March 31st, I will give you 50% off the Mega Bundle or Level 1 or the Elementary Bundle. You just have to contact me and then we will work out how that's how that will happen for you, okay? So that way, if you need this and you want it at a really inexpensive price, this would be a good time to do it. Whether you're doing it virtually or want to do it this year, next year, whatever, just let me know by sending me a YouTube in the subject line, YouTube 50% off. And then you will receive an email from me telling you what to do to get that offer. All right. You have a great day, and we're just taking it one day at a time. We're all navigating the unknown. Wishing you all the best.